Welcome to Earth's RX Foods, where we share science-backed nutrition, healing foods, and natural strategies to help you live a longer, healthier life. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before making major dietary changes, especially if you have underlying health conditions. What if one of the biggest contributors to inflammation, metabolic problems, and chronic disease wasn't sugar, but the oils you cook with every single day? Seed oils are everywhere. In restaurants, packaged foods, and even so-called healthy products. Today, we're breaking down the hidden problems with seed oils, why they're controversial, and what healthier fats you should use instead. What are seed oils? Seed oils are industrially processed oils extracted from seeds. Common examples include canola oil, soybean oil, corn oil, sunflower oil, safflower oil, grapeseed oil, and cottonseed oil. These oils weren't widely consumed until the last century, and their rise closely parallels increases in obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Here are the top 5 problems with using seed oils. 1. Highly processed and industrially made. Seed oils are not made by simple pressing. They're typically extracted using high heat, chemical solvents like hexane, and using bleaching and deodorizing processes. This processing damages the oil and creates oxidized byproducts that the body doesn't handle well. 2. High in omega-6 fatty acids. Seed oils are extremely high in omega-6 fatty acids. While omega-6 fats are essential in small amounts, modern diets contain far too much, creating an imbalance with omega-3s. This imbalance is strongly linked to chronic inflammation, insulin resistance, and cardiovascular disease. 3. Easily oxidized, especially when heated. Seed oils are unstable, especially at high temperatures. When heated, they oxidize easily, forming lipid peroxides, aldehydes, and other inflammatory compounds. These oxidized fats can damage cells, blood vessels, and mitochondria. 4. May contribute to metabolic dysfunction. Some research suggests excessive omega-6 intake may interfere with insulin, signaling, fat metabolism, and appetite regulation. This may help explain why seed oils are often associated with weight gain and metabolic disease when consumed in excess. 5. Misleading, heart-healthy marketing. For decades, seed oils were promoted as heart-healthy simply because they lower LDL cholesterol. But lowering LDL alone doesn't automatically mean better cardiovascular outcomes, especially when inflammation and oxidation are ignored. Health is more complex than one lab marker. This doesn't mean seed oils are poison or that small amounts will destroy your health. The real issue is chronic overconsumption, especially from fried foods, ultra-processed foods, and restaurant meals. Dose, frequency, and overall diet quality matter. What are healthier alternatives to use instead? Extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, high in antioxidants, and is good for the heart and longevity benefits. It is best when cooking at low to medium heat or used with salad dressings. Avocado oil. Avocado oil has a high smoke point, more stable for cooking, and has a neutral flavor profile. Grass-fed butter or ghee. Grass-fed butter or ghee are stable saturated fats, contain fat-soluble vitamins, and ghee is lactose-free and heat-stable. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is very heat-stable, is a medium-chain triglyceride, and best used occasionally and not excessively. Beef tallow or animal fats. Properly sourced. Beef tallow or animal fats that are properly sourced are extremely stable, traditionally used for cooking, and has minimal oxidation when heated. What to look for at the grocery store. To reduce seed oil intake, read ingredient labels. Avoid products with multiple vegetable oils. Choose whole, minimally processed foods and cook more meals at home. Final thoughts. Seed oils aren't the sole cause of modern disease. but they are one piece of a much bigger puzzle. Reducing highly processed oils and choosing stable, traditional fats may help lower inflammation and support long-term health. Thanks for watching Earth's RX Foods. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe and share it with someone who might find this video beneficial. Your health is your greatest asset. Fuel it wisely.